respected dignitaries, on the dais and off the dais, teachers, and all my dear friends. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I am going to speak a few words on greatness of Allah. May Allah, peace and blessing of Allah be on all of you. All praise is for Allah alone, without any partner, and may peace and blessing of Allah be upon his final messenger, Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. The best speech is the book of Allah. The best of guidance is the guidance of Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Respected audience, Islam means submitting yourself to the will of Allah. Islam is the religion of peace. Islam is the solution to the problem of mankind. The purpose of our creation is to worship Allah alone and to associate none with Allah. Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam instructed Abdullah bin Abbas radhiyallahu anhu, be mindful of Allah. Allah will protect you. Be mindful of Allah. Will Allah in front of you. If you ask, then ask Allah. If you seek help, then seek help of Allah. Respected audience, the whole universe is created by Allah. The Lord is Allah. The Master is Allah. The one who brings into existence from nothing is Allah. The one who deserves to be worshipped is Allah. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.